Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OPPO A54s smartphone, and in this video I will show how you can set the screen timeout setting on this device to never. If we'll go to the settings app, the display and brightness category, we'll see that the biggest value that we can set as for the auto screen off setting is 30 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we'll need to use the help of the third-party app that you can download for free from the Play Store, that is called Caffeine. So open up the Play Store, at the search bar type in Caffeine. Here, that's the app that we are looking for. Tap on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see right now, it takes just about 5 to 10 seconds. Alrighty, and now all that it's left to do is to open this app, tap on don't show again, and make sure that the timeout setting is set to infinite. And that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically, no matter for how much time it will have the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!